Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys how I created this Dutch pour painting. My first attempt at making a Dutch pour painting, and I absolutely enjoyed it. Keep watching to see how I created this. I started by adding water to my acrylic paint to create a runny consistency. As you can see here, I am using gold, silver, cobalt blue, and white. After pouring and layering my paint, I went ahead and used my blow dryer to blow the paint out to get the desired effect that I would want to see. I repeated that process by adding more paint. I layered the paint and blew it out with my blow dryer. I did not like just the gold, silver and white, so I added some of the blue to it, and that gave it the desired look that I really wanted. Now on to my next canvas. I originally thought in my head that I wanted them both to look the same, but that didn't work out, so I just went ahead and do it however I liked, which they both turned out really lovely, so that's all right. I am loving the details in it, and as you know, glitter makes everything better, so I am going to be adding some glitter to make this even more beautiful. I added some of the larger glitter to give it some texture, and also some of the fine glitter to give it a brighter gold color. after adding the glitter, I let my canvases dry for 24 hours. And now it's time to hang them. Depending on how heavy your canvases are, you can use command hooks to hang them. I was about to use command hooks, but then I decided to use some double-sided sticky tape that I had, and those works like a charm. So this is what my canvases looked like hung up in my hallway, and I am so loving them. Guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and also if you are not a part of the family, go ahead guys and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Turn on your notification bell so you won't miss out on any uploads that we do. I am loving the details on these canvases. Thank you very much for watching, and as usual, have a lovely day and be blessed.